Hello and welcome to this new Kosmik video. So it's been a week since we've been out of beta with Kosmik 1.0, and we wanted to thank you again for your feedback and your support. Thank you to the users that subscribed to a Kosmik Pro plan. And today I wanted to show you what we have up our sleeves for the next few months, while also showing you what we've shipped this week. So one thing that you tell us constantly in our support mailbox on Discord, on Reddit, is that you want to be able to use Kosmik to present things to your clients, teammates, or maybe even to fellow students. So today we're shipping the first part of Kosmik presentation mode. To activate Kosmik presentation mode, click on an object, press Option F to focus on an object, and you can now just use the arrow keys to go from one object to the next. You can use frames to create slides. You can, here what I did is I imported pictures and I added a caption, so it looks like a nice slide with a frame around the image, and we'll add many more options very soon. The next one will be a double arrow here to hide all the Chrome of the UI, all of the bars, the universe name, the sidebar button, the AI search bar, like everything will get out of the way so you can just present your content and focus on what's on screen. So this is the caption, this is the new navigation mode, presentation mode, and we hope you'll like it. This is the main feature of this week release. We've also tweaked the text sizes so they're now, let's say, more coherent. We had a problem where the heading 1 block was too big in when you compared it with the heading 2, heading 3 body and small text. So now all of that should look cleaner, and if you're using Kosmik for a lot of note taking, it should work much better. So this is this week update, and here I wanted to use that new mode to show you what we're working on if you haven't read our newsletter. So the first thing we're working on is an updated share menu with clearer sections to help the users that are already using Kosmik with their teams or in their companies. So in Kosmik, you have a workspace, and if you invite people to your workspace, they will get access to all the universes in the workspace. But you may have guests also, and those guests are people that are not from your company or from your class or from your agency, and you invite them through the share panel. And so what we want to do is we want to have clearer sections so you know who has access in your team, with the number of members, and when you click on manage, we direct you to the workspace management panel, who has access and is not part of the team. Here we have 2 people and their permission, and finally a clear button to copy the link to the universe, and that you can share with people in your team if you want them to be directed to the universe or with guests. So this is something that we're working on right now. The publish panel will also be clearer. So we're working on making Kosmik better for teams, better for organizations. We're also working on one, I would say this is the top most requested feature that we get in the support mailbox, and this is about sub-universes. So we know that you need more flexibility to organize your informations in Kosmik. Frames were the first part of this. We had a prototype with folders in the sidebar where you could organize your universes in the sidebar, which would give you a clearer workspace organization, but it was not enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to have sub-universes. You'll create them through a submenu here, along with the frames. And what will happen is when you drag and drop a sub-universe on a universe, then in the sidebar, we'll reflect that by adding a collapse to the main universe and nesting the sub-universe in the sidebar. So you'll be able to both see the universe visually as a card on the board and also as a folder directly in the sidebar. So we're working on that. It's going to take us some time because it's a complex feature, but we're super excited to ship it, and we're working as fast as we can on that as well. The next one I wanted to show you is when you create an empty universe in Kosmik, you have that prompt universe field, and the AskAI bar is hidden. You have to create an object or you have to prompt the universe to then be able to use that bar. So we're going to combine those 2 features, which makes sense in our opinion. So when you create a new universe, this will be the empty state, and you'll be able to either prompt Kosmik to generate an empty universe with a command, or you'll be able to start your universe with the AI search bar by finding images, videos, links, or just by adding objects, just like you can do today. But you won't have that kind of dissociation between those 2 features, which are really close to one another. So this will be the first step in adding many new tricks to the ASCII bar, and we're also super excited about that. And finally, we're working right now, and we hope to ship that before Christmas on an updated inbox that will allow you, if you're using the web clipper, you know our inbox doesn't allow the same drag in, drag out as the sidebar with the list of universe. So we're working on making a clean drag in, drag out system for the inbox. We're going to add an option that will allow you to delete the object directly from the inbox. And also we're going to move the inbox to the right side of the screen. So we'll also allow you to use it with the built-in web browser. So those are some of the changes coming to Kosmik, and I forgot to show you one. We're also working on cleaner blocks for the text, for the note-taking part of Kosmik, along with support for Markdown. So this is everything we have in store for you. We hope you're as excited as we are. Just reach out if you have any idea, if you think that there are other features that we should add to Kosmik, or things we need to reprioritize, or if you've seen a bug, or if you just want to give us some feedback. It's always so helpful. And we hope you'll like that new presentation mode in this week's release. So thanks again, everybody, for your support since we are out of beta, and we'll see you very, very soon with those new updates. Thank you, take care, and see you soon. Bye.